Today we'll study moral science. Chapter 2, Being with God. Value taught, devotion to God. Warming up. God is always with us. He helps us anytime we want help. Have you ever thought of God when you were afraid, sad, or hurt? Did you feel better after that? It is important to think of God every time, even when we are happy. Read the story of a little boy to see how God helped him. So, as we know, God is always with us. He helps us anytime when we want help. So, have you ever thought of God when you were afraid, sad, or hurt? And did you feel better after that? Therefore, it is very important to think of God every time, even when we are happy. So, let's begin the story of a little boy, how God helped him. Ram was a small boy who lived in a village with his mother. So Ram was a small boy who lived with his mother in a village. They had a very small house. Both Ram and his mother were very happy. Ram often used to see his mother sitting and praying to Lord in a free time. One day, he asked his mother, "Why do you pray so much?" So one day, he asked his mother. Ram, he used to see his mother whenever her mother, she was free. So what she used to do? She used to sit and pray. One day, he asked his mother, "Why do you pray so much?" She said, "My son, this is my way of showing devotion to my Lord." Mother, what she said? She said, "My son, this is my way of showing devotion to my Lord. The Lord is always with us. He has given us so much." So, children, God has blessed us with abundant blessings. So, we should always love God and ready to pray and always dedicated to God. We must also thank Him sincerely. One day, when Ram came back, he found his mother lying in the bed. One day, what he saw? When he came back, he saw mother lying in the bed. She was very happy. She was having very high fever. Ram ran and called the doctor. Doctor examined his mother and said, "She is having very high fever. If the fever does not decrease, then she may have to be taken to a city hospital for further treatment." Doctor, what he said? That if she is having very high fever and if the fever does not decrease, then she may have to be taken to a city hospital for further treatment. He handed Ram some medicines and went away. Doctor, what he did? He handed Ram some medicines and went away. Ram got scared. So Ram, he was scared. He started crying. Suddenly, he saw the prayer area where his mother used to sit and pray. So, what happened? Suddenly, he saw the prayer area where his mother used to sit and pray. He thought to himself, Mother always said that God helps his devotees. What he thought? That mother used to say that God helps his devotees. Now I will also pray with full devotion. Ram prayed day and night. He was sure that God would help him. So Ram, what he did? He started praying day and night. And he was sure that definitely God will help him. He took good care of his mother and gave her all the medicines on time. So what he did? He took good care of his mother and gave her all the medicines on time. After a week, the doctor came to examine her again. So what happened? After a week, again the doctor came and he examined him again. He was surprised. He said, "Your mother is much better." He was surprised when he saw his mother that she was much better. I don't think she should need any further treatment. You continue giving her these medicines for 1 week. For 1 more week, she will be fine. Ram was relieved to hear this. So Ram, what he did? He was very happy when doctor said that your mother is much better and she will be fine. Ram was relieved to hear this. He thanked the doctor. Thereafter, he sat in the prayer area to thank God. Thereafter, he sat in the prayer area to thank God. Very soon, his mother was fine. Ram said, "Mother, now I have understood what devotion means." Ram, what he said to his mother? That now I have understood the meaning of devotion. God is always here to help his devotees. The mother smiled and hugged him. Thereafter, both used to pray together. So mother, she was very happy and she smiled and hugged him. And after that, both used to pray together. Moral: God is always with us. What's the moral of the lesson, children? God is always with us. Let us remember, we can be with God at any time and any place. So, we can be with God at any time and any place. God is always with us. He loves us and will help us if we ask Him to. We can talk to God. We cannot see God, but He can see us and hear us. Talking to God is called prayer. So what is prayer, children? Prayer is talking to God. Prayer is talking to God. We must pray with full devotion. So what we have to do? We must pray with full devotion. So children, just read the lesson again.